Part 1. Preparing the oats. Parfaits are a classic favorite for breakfast, an afternoon snack, or dessert. When made with the right ingredients, they are delicious and healthy. They also take very little time to prepare, making them ideal if you're in a rush. If you love bananas, then give this parfait a try. 1. Take about 6 tablespoons of oats and put them in a bowl. If you love oats and think that it should be the highlight of your parfait, you can definitely take more. 2. Pour 1 tablespoon of maple syrup over the oats. If you prefer honey, use that, but the original recipe does call for maple syrup. This step is optional. If you aren't a fan of any kind of syrup, you don't need to add any. 3. Mix the oats and maple syrup well. 4. Heat a non-stick pan at medium level. Cook the oats and maple syrup for about 2 to 3 minutes. This should definitely add more crunch and sweetness to the oats. After it's done cooking, set that aside. Part 2. Preparing the other ingredients. 1. Check that the bananas are ripe before you start to cut them. It really doesn't matter how you cut up the banana, but thin slices are standard. 2. Choose the yogurt. One of the best parts of making a parfait is that you can get creative with the types of yogurt. A great way to make a parfait healthy is by using Greek yogurt. For this parfait, vanilla-flavored yogurt is nice. Other favorites that would be suitable include blueberry and strawberry yogurts, which will complement the banana flavor nicely. 3. Pick out any additional nuts or toppings. Nuts that go really well with this parfait include walnuts, almonds, and cashews. If you don't like nuts, leave them out. 4. Raisins and cranberries also taste really great with this parfait. Keep in mind, they tend to have added sugar though. Part 3. Making up the banana yogurt parfait. 1. Pick out a tall glass or cup. Parfaits are usually layered, which works better when added to a tall glass rather than a bowl. 2. Start out by putting a big spoon of yogurt into the glass. Flatten it slightly, so that it's easier to layer the things on top. 3. Add a spoonful of oats on top. 4. Add a few slices of banana. 5. Keep repeating the last 3 steps until you reach the top of the cup, a layer or yogurt, then oats, and then bananas. 6. Add toppings. When you reach the top, add any extra toppings that you picked out earlier. You can also add a drizzle of maple syrup of honey at the top if you want. 7. Serve. Some people like to refrigerate the parfait for about 10 minutes, so that it's cold and refreshing when they eat it. It's up to you how long you wish to wait before serving it. 8. Finished.